Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to tell you about the circulatory system. I am going to teach about how circulatory system works and how circulatory system works in our body, in human beings. What consists of, what are the organs, and how the circulation takes place in the heart. Okay. Now, the human circulatory system consists of arteries, veins, and capillaries, and the heart pumping blood through it. Its primary role is to provide essential nutrients, minerals, and hormones to various parts of the body. The circulatory system also collects metabolic waste from the cells and tissues of the body for purification or to be expelled from out of the body. Now we see the circulatory system consists of organs. Those organs include heart, blood vessels, and the lymphatic system. Okay. Now we'll see about the heart. Now, the heart is a muscular organ which is situated in the thoracic cavity right between the two lungs. It is slightly shifted towards the left in the chest cavity. Next. Now the heart, it consists and it is enveloped. The heart is enveloped by a pericardium. It is enveloped by a pericardium and it is enclosed within the fluid-filled cavity that is called as pericardial cavity. Now we'll see the structure of the heart. This is the structure of the heart. Here this is the aorta. This is the superior vena cava. This is the inferior vena cava. This is right atrium. Here is the right ventricle. Here we can see left atrium, and here is the left ventricle. Now we'll see these are the pulmonary arteries. Here left pulmonary veins, here left pulmonary arteries. Here we can see right pulmonary veins and right pulmonary arteries. So this is the structure of the heart. Now the heart consists of 4 chambers. That is 2 upper chambers. Here we can see right atrium and the left atrium. The 2 upper chambers, they are called as atrias, whereas the 2 lower chambers, they are called as ventricles. That is right ventricle and left ventricle. Okay. Now we'll see about the types of circulations. Here we have, in circulatory system consists of 3 types of circulations. First is pulmonary circulation. In this, the deoxygenated blood is carried to the heart, and from heart it goes to the lungs for purification. And again, the oxygenated blood from the lungs is carried back to the heart. This is about the pulmonary circulation, where the pulmonary arteries and veins are functioning. Now the second type is systemic circulation, where the oxygenated blood from the heart goes to various parts of the body through the aorta, and then again the deoxygenated blood from the cells and tissues of the body are carried back to the heart through the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Third is coronary circulation. Here the oxygenated blood is supplied to the heart for for circulation, that is for the heart supply, for the blood supply for the heart, that is coronary circulation. Now the heart pumps around 5 to 7 liters of blood in a day throughout the body. Okay. Now we'll see how is the structure and how circulation takes place in the human heart. This is the structure of human heart. Now we can see here it's a muscle, the right ventricles and this left and right regions of the heart. They are separated by a muscle called as septum. Here is the left atrium and ventricle. Here is the right atrium and right ventricle. So they are separated by a muscle here in between, which is called as septum. Okay. Now we'll see this how circulation takes place in the blood circulation takes place in the heart. Now first the deoxygenated blood from the body, cells and tissues of the body, it is carried like an energy functioning or digestion process. The deoxygenated blood comes. So from this deoxygenated blood is carried to the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava carries the deoxygenated blood from various parts of the body and it goes to the right atrium. oxygenated blood. Then from the right atrium it goes to the right ventricles, and from right ventricles it goes to the pulmonary arteries, and from pulmonary arteries it is carried to the lungs for purification. Okay. Now there are semilunar walls present in the pulmonary arteries. Okay. Pulmonary arteries, which now these semilunar walls are present, which prevents the backflow of blood to the heart. Now we can see the oxygenated blood, it comes from the lungs to the left atrium, and from left atrium it goes to the left ventricle, and from left ventricle it is carried to the aorta, and from aorta it goes to various parts of the body. So this is how the circulation takes place in the human